If you got some ground beef and noodles kicking around, this creamy stroganoff is one of those easy comfort meals that works every time. It's rich, hearty, and made with simple ingredients most of us already have kicking around. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of medium ground beef and throw it into a pan over medium-high heat. Just kind of break things up a little bit here, and I have lost my breaker-upper thingy-madoor again. Oh well. Now we're going to fry this until it's no longer brown and basically cooked through. While that beef is cooking away, I'm going to add 2 cups of uncooked egg noodles to a pot of boiling water and just cook this up for about 10 minutes until it's tender. So just look at this, guys. Our beef is looking good, so I'm going to move it to one side of the pan. Then in we go with a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of the old chopped garlic, and we're going to stir and saute this for about, 2 or 3 minutes until that wonderful aroma fills the kitchen. Once we're all sauteed up here, we'll give everything a good mix together. Next up, grab 10 button mushrooms, 10 or 12, whatever you have on hand, and we'll just kind of chop these up. And into the pan we go with that ground beef, garlic, and onion. Stir things around and continue to cook until those mushrooms begin to sweat a little bit and change color. And I know somebody's going to say, Dave, you got a little piece of parsley in there. I know, but the rest of his family's coming later. He just fell in. Anyway, we'll go ahead and season things up with about a teaspoon of salt. Of course, my all-time favorite, a good heaping teaspoon of ground black pepper. Grab up some parsley and chop that up. Then we'll go ahead and throw this into the mix with that little guy we talked about earlier. And you know what? To make things really tasty, I'm going to throw in a teaspoon of dried oregano. Of course, once again, a mixing we will go. And this is the seasoning I use. You can go ahead and use some extra. Maybe some Italian seasoning might be nice too. Actually, I'm kind of slipping up here because I do use it for everything. At any rate, now in we go with a cup of good, rich beef broth. Follow that up with another cup of heavy cream, and if you find this a bit too rich, you could use half and half. I don't think I'd use milk though, that'll make it a bit too watery. Then of course, once again, a stirring we will go until it begins to look creamy and ever so good. To thicken things up, we're going to throw in a couple of tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix until things do indeed begin to thicken up. Throw in a tablespoon of the good old Worcestershire sauce, and you just gotta have this because it adds that depth of flavor. And of course, stirring once more, but just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look ultra creamy, just like I promised in the thumbnail? But to make things even gooder, I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of the good old sour cream. Oh, wow. Now we're talking. And just look at this, guys. As we stir, everything is coming together, ultra rich, ultra creamy. Oh man, this is gonna be great. Now comes the moment of glory. I'm gonna spoon that sauce over top of those egg noodles that we cooked up and rinsed. Oh my goodness, it just isn't gonna be any better. And I know that I'm overselling my own ground beef stroganoff, but it is good. And of course, we're gonna garnish this up with a little more parsley just to make it all pretty like. And there we have it, guys, our ground beef stroganoff that never lets me down and will never let you down. Ultra creamy, so good. You are gonna love this. And you bite into it, it does not let you down. It is absolutely so good. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday for our next humdinger video.